Are you constantly juggling a mountain of Jira tickets, wondering who is drowning and who is coasting? Let's dive into a quick tutorial on how to check ticket assignments in Jira and bring order to project chaos. First, we'll explore using Jira's built-in search function. Begin by navigating to the Issues page in Jira, which is usually accessible from the main menu. Once you're on the Issues page, look for the search bar, typically at the top of the screen. This is your command center. Now, let's formulate a search query. To see all the tickets assigned to a specific person, use the search filter for Assignee, and then type in the team member's name. Jira will then display all the issues currently assigned to that individual. Remember to filter by project if you want a more precise view for a specific project. But what if you want a bird's eye view of the entire team's workload? Creating a custom dashboard is the secret weapon. To do this, go to the Dashboard section in Jira. Click on Create Dashboard, and then click on Add Gadget. Select your tool of choice that suits your needs. Consider gadgets like pie chart or issue statistics, which will help visualize task allocation. For example, the issue statistics gadget can be configured to show a count of issues per assigner. Once you've chosen your gadget, configure it by selecting your project and choosing a statistic field, such as Assignee. The finished dashboard quickly helps you see the workload distribution at a glance and is automatically updated in real time. This capability will promote a balanced distribution and efficient resource management for your team. Knowing the workload of your teammates allows you to collaborate better and have a more successful project.